I'm hungry. Where is my lunchbox? Oh, no. I can't find my lunchbox. Have you seen it? No, I haven't. Where is it? I can't find it. Don't worry. We'll help you. Let's help Allie. Thank you. Has anyone seen it? I'm still looking. A lapumline. I saw it near the classroom door. Maybe it's here. Found it. I found my lunchbox. I found my lunchbox. Great job, Allie. That's a wonderful job. I'm so proud of you. Now I can enjoy my lunch. Yummy! This is so good!
Always keep your things in the right place.
I will be more careful next time. See you next time. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this story. Please like this video and subscribe to Lumexa English. See you in the next lesson. Bye.